Alright guys, in today's video I will be reviewing auxito's 907 HB5 LED headlights. So guys, Auxito had sponsored me or hooked me up last week after asking for a sponsor for LED headlights, and they came in with this 9007 HB5 headlights for me today. And yeah, I'll go ahead and show you the before on low beam and high beams on the Mustang here. Yes, today's candidate is my 2000 Ford Mustang. It is a V6 and its brights suck. They suck. Alright, here's the before low beams and here's the after high beams. That ain't bright at all. And they're even worse on the road, so you may go see somebody else review on LED headlights and just go by that. Please don't. Just go by, make sure that video has a road test for you, because it's much different reflecting off a garage than reflecting off the roads and their surroundings. Alright, these LED headlights don't just fit Mustangs. They fit any other 1994 to modern now vehicles, I think. But yeah, they just asked if I got any vehicles from 1994 to present that have the old halogen headlights, I think what are, and I had the Mustang, and they really suck. And they can even work on the 2017 Ford Transit 2001 Ford F-250 is what I have, what vehicles we have, but they work on any other make and model of vehicle, not just Ford, Chevy, Honda, and all kinds of models. So if you guys feel interested from this video and like want to check out these, I got a discount code. I got it pinned in the comment section below. Use Tenor Builds, not Tenor Rebuild. Use Tenor Builds for get 15% off your purchase, and use my affiliate links in the description. It's just something to help the channel out. Okay, let's get into this. Alright guys, I do apologize about the rain, but yeah, I got to get this video out now. They even come with little gloves here, so you don't want to touch on the lights with your bare hands, because the grease on your fingers and stuff will make the LED headlights burn out faster. I'll have more information about the headlights once I'm done with the test drive and putting them in the Mustang. So yeah, what you come with it are some zip ties, some sticky pads, some instructions and stuff, and the LED headlights themselves. What I like about the design is they have this little light in the back. My dad got some LED headlights for my mom's 2015 Ford Explorer, and I don't know the name, but I think I'll have it somewhere on the screen here. Those were cheapy headlights. Now these seems pretty good and stuff. I like the fan about them, so yeah, let's go ahead and do it. Alright guys, scoparc is the name of the other headlights my dad got for my mom's Explorer, but yeah, the wires were cheaply made and just very flimsy, and it was out of the socket it was supposed to be. But these gloves are so good enough. You can use them while using your phone, but these Mustang headlights are very simple to take out. Guys, after you do that, you just slide it forward. Normally there would be a little thing stopping it there, but not here. What you want to do is, yeah, it's different for every car, but you want to do is like, alright, on these, what you want to do is rotate this little black thing all the way to the left here, take it out, then you can just pull this headlight out. Just like so. Now we get one of these, one of the auxito lights here. I really apologize about the rain, guys. I told him I'll get the video out by Wednesday, and it's already Tuesday night. So yeah, it's pretty much a backwards thing for this. Pop that in there. It probably goes on a certain way. Alright guys, I found a little sweet spot for this. Is the cord right here is at the bottom of the headlight bezel, and what you want to do, feed this black wire through this. Make sure you have that black thing up the right way. Alright guys, there was a little bit difficulty with the headlights. It's not Auxito's fault, it's Ford's fault. They have this little plastic black thing you have to screw it on with. I had to cut a little bit of corners. On the second headlight, I will show you more, but yeah, it's definitely not Auxito's fault. It's 100% not their fault because, yeah, other than that, it's a perfect fit. It fits well in the socket, and I'll show more on the second light. And let's do a side-by comparison with the light. You can probably tell this is off, but this is low, high, but let's go check it around. Yeah, that looks significantly better, and that's just low beams. It's blinding me already. High beams, yeah. And as you can see, it doesn't much go into the driver's other areas on the other side, peripherals, but you can see works pretty well. Gotta make sure though. Yeah, that looks great. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the other side, and we'll go around the block and see how well this is. All right, this little black thing. Just a heads up, you might want to get another one of these if you have a Mustang like mine. But yeah, the problem here is these fan things. You can see they're larger than that. And what happens is it hits those little arms there. So what I had to do is cut just a very little bit. Let me get the light on for you. Just a little bit off of these little tabs here. Then I use my little screwdriver to pry it onto there better. But this thing is durable. Yeah, pretty durable plastic here. I don't think I even scratched it up at all, but yeah, this flimsy metal and plastic was bending and stuff. But yeah, I don't think you guys have to worry about this breaking when you're putting that on. That's pretty awesome. Alright guys, that took like a half an hour including filming and all of that. The second one went in 2 minutes, including taking it off and everything. But, whoops, I forgot to close the garage door. I do apologize about that. But yeah, other than a stupid little plastic thing on here, the installation was really easy and not complex. Yeah. Low beam, high beam. Low, high beam. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So let me just go ahead. Let's go around the block. All right. Low beams, high beams. All right, low beams, high beams. Before and after. If this is before the auxito headlights, and let's go see how the new ones turn out. All right, guys. Let me get past this light here, but here are low beams. They're much brighter than the bright high beams on the other lights, and boom, it's like planet Earth at nighttime. Look how bright this is. And if you watched before, I was struggling to see on high beams. I can easily go to speed limit. Go on this rainy night here. My window's a bit fogged up, so it doesn't do the lights justice, but this is awesome. Man, I'm so glad Auxito reached out to me. Thanks you guys so much for doing this, man. This is awesome. This is 100% genuine, but yeah, awesome. So guys, go down in the comment section below. Links in the description, and I have a coupon code for tenor builds for 15% off. Use my affiliate links to try help out the channel. Remember, it's not only for Mustangs and Fords, it's for every make and model that's old and with the junky old headlights. See you back at the place. And there we go. That's the full review here. Auxito just don't only do lights, LED headlights for cars. They also do tools like, I think they also do like tire inflators. They do dome lights for the cars, brake lights, and all kinds of stuff. I think they might also do like the screw-in light bulbs for these older cars, and if so, yeah, maybe they'll send out a pair of those. But yeah, it was a really simple and easy install for it, and yeah, you're probably wondering what are the specs and everything. Well, they are 24,000 aluminums, and you don't know what that is. I don't either. I don't know lights much, but yeah, they're 125 watts, I think 102, I don't know, hold on. 120 watts and 25,000 luminums. I don't know what it is, but it has a lifespan of 50,000 hours, which is pretty awesome. That's some pretty awesome thing. But once I get, and I said earlier, they fit other cars than just Mustangs and Fords. They could probably even fit your Mark IV Supra, if at it. They can probably fit anything. So, you know anybody that has an older car or anything, and like, I don't know, if it's a holiday season when you're watching this and you're like, you know what, let's get them some LED headlights. So, they're around $84 on Auxito's website. Remember, they're the 9007 HB5 headlights. So, or just go links in the description. There's a fast way to get to the website, and they also help the channel out by doing on thing. And also, use discount code TENORBILLS for 15% off your whole purchase. So, yeah. Thanks so much, Auxito, for sponsoring this video. And, hey, I think my little brother's lawnmower out there needed some work. So, I'll see you guys by my brother's bowling.